And one last thing before we run out of time, I'm going to show you an image tag, img. Now, this is a very special tag because it doesn't modify text. It inserts an image into the page. And the image has an attribute value, or an attribute, src, which stands for source. And the source would be some image.jpg for JPEG. So if I were to finish this tag right now, it would show a picture called someimage.jpg on the page. Now I'm going to use alt right here, which stands for alternate. And alt is if the picture does not exist or can't be viewed on the browser, it will use the alternate. So you're going to want to make the alternate some type of text. So I'll make the alternate some image. So if it can't find this, which it won't since it doesn't exist, it will display the words some image. And the image tag does not have a closing tag. There's no /img. This does not exist. Don't do this. What instead you're going to do for these tags that don't have closing tags, you put a space after the last character inside the tag and a slash, which closes the tag within itself. So it is an image, its source is this, the alternate is this, and then it's closed with a space slash and a closing caret. So that's all I'm going to show for today. The way you save these, save as, I'm going to save it on my desktop. I'm going to call it HTML, I have a virus, HTML underscore lessons. Just because it's professional, don't use spaces, only use numbers, letters, and underscores. So I'm going to call it HTML underscore lessons. Now you don't want to save it as a text file, because that's just words. You're going to want to save it as hypertext markup language, HTML. And it'll save as a .html. And that's what you want. So I'm going to save this. And if you'll notice, everything became highlighted when I did that. Notepad++ highlights colors to make things easier to see. So plain text is black, tags are blue, attributes are red, and their values are purple. And it highlights other stuff like the opening and closing tags and things like that. It's useful if you want to get it, you don't have to. That's all I'm going to show for today. Really quick though, I am going to exit this and drag this over here, open up Firefox, and open up this file, htmllessons.html. Close this. Close this. Open this up, double click, and it will open in Firefox. Now, let's move this so you can see it. Okay. So, the normal text that we put in there, which looks like this right here. Normal text is right here. Normal text. The header 1 is right here. It's huge. The header 3 is right here. And the header 6 is very small. Smaller than normal text. And those are right here and here and here. The paragraphs, as you can see, are spaced, as are headers. If you'll notice, the link and the image are on separate lines on the page. That doesn't matter. Extra spaces are removed when reading HTML. So if you have enters or 10 spaces in a row, it will condense that to one space. So this anchor or link, which links to another page, does not exist, but it's still a link. So if I click it, it'll just go to nothing because it's not a page. But it is a link. In the image, there is no image, so it just shows the alternate, which is some image. So that's all the time we have for today. I hope you learned something from this, and Look forward to more lessons that will go more in depth into the complexities of HTML. And see you next time.